Do I look Mexican if I'm with you guys? No? What? I look like everyone else here.
No, you don't look like a Mexican.
No?
No. Neither with that big camera.
Yeah, I know, yeah. Okay, without this camera, if I'm just like...
Then you open your mouth? No, you're
No,
not
okay.
Mexican.
De Cancún, para su información aerolocal 917. Por su seguridad permanezcan sentados hasta que el avión se detenga por completo y la señal de abrochar el cinturón haya sido apagada.
Hola amigos, buenos dias, and we have finally made it to Cancun. Oh man, that was a journey and a half, seriously. I don't even know if I'm like half dead or I've actually had enough sleep, but sleeping in Mexico airport, I don't know, it was just broken sleep throughout the night. And it was so cold there, and then it's like hot as anything here now, and you won't believe what I have on. I actually have like a shirt, a long sleeve, another long sleeve, and a jacket, so it's like 25 plus weather now, so I need to take a few layers off. So just in Cancun airport now, waiting for the bus, the cheap and best way option as always. What you have to do is you have to just walk past all the hustle and bustle and people asking you to catch taxis and everything. Walk all the way out, keep to your right, and then you get to this place with like the smallest red booth there, the ADO bus. That's a bus to catch every single time. That only cost me 86 pesos to get into Cancun town, and luckily my hostel is right there as well. So if you're ever here and you get a better price for getting in town, comment below and let me know. That is where I'll be spending New Year's. Kind of. Check this out. Check this place out. Exactly what I've been waiting for so long. 2 weeks in Mexico City was good, but did not feel a holiday. Now I definitely feel like I'm on holidays. So I've just finished editing my first 2 weeks in Mexico, so just put a little clip together, put on my Instagram, so then after my 2 weeks here in Cancun, I'll be able to do the same thing. So I'll just quickly show you around this place. It's actually a pretty cool hostel. This is like the rooftop bar, and they got a pretty sick view and a pool up there. So here is the bar, restaurant right there, and the pool. The pool here just to chill. So this is where I'll be staying for the next 3 nights till New Year's Day. I haven't really checked in yet because it's not 3 p.m. yet, but don't go away because I've got a special guest joining me for the rest of this vlog. Should be coming soon. Okay guys, and we are back. It's been a pretty big day since the last thing I spoke on this vlog, but it's already pretty late at night, and look where we are. We are at the local fair. And check out who I'm with.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. Looking for some food.
And this is Gemma and her sister.
Viridiana.
Viridiana.
Oh my.
Family night out at the fair.
From Mexico!
Yeah, Mexicana! Two amigas Mexicanas.
Amigas Mexicana.
Okay, I'm getting there, I'm getting close. So this afternoon, Gemma actually took me to like their shopping center.
Puerto Cancun.
Yeah, Puerto Cancun.
Marina Town Center, it's a big mall.
Yeah, and then that's where we just had lunch. Nice view. I had the camera, but I didn't take it out because I was still like shy. But then here, I have to get the camera out. Like, look at this place. It's crazy. We don't have fairs like this much at home, so that's why this is like really cool for me. And
it's
especially these rides, these are like the old, like nice kind of fairs. We don't have this at home.
this looks like small because we have it in another state like first bigger than this.
Oh yeah.
Really bigger. And we have like artists and sing and everything.
Oh really?
Yeah.
And this is what I prefer as well. Like rather than Cancun with all the tourists, this is the place to be. This is where you want to be. I like this. Do I look? If I'm with everyone and you guys, do I look Mexican as well? Do I look Mexican if I'm with you guys? No? What? I look like everyone else here.
No, you don't look
No?
No.
So if I'm walking around with you guys and I'm not talking.
No. And neither with that big camera.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Okay, without this camera, if I'm just like.
Then you open your mouth. No, you're
No.
not.
Okay. Okay, we gotta play some games and get on some rides after you get something to eat. Okay.
Te faltan uno, las cajas, allá arriba. No más, venga, eso, otro, te faltan las.
No.
Whoa, damn. Kinda scared. What is going on right now? We're on a
I
Ferris
hear you.
wheel. This kind of feels funny. Lean this way. Like, whoa, damn.
Like in the car.
Feels funny when you move around. Check out the view.
We said like, estoy mareada.
Mariala.
Mareada.
Is that
It's
like yeah, I'm
my
about.
head is
Oh
like
yeah.
this.
But dizzy. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
feeling dizzy. I'm gonna spew.
But it's nice.
Yeah. Well, this is only just a warm up, and then we eat, and then we go on that one.
No,
By
that
that time, the line's gonna be a lot shorter.
Just another one. This one, no. I'm gonna
Okay,
throw
fine.
out there.
Fine, I'll choose another one. But you've been on that one.
Yes. When I was 5.
Oh, that one. That one looks alright.
Which one?
The circle one. That one. Yeah.
No,
Yes,
you're crazy.
that one.
You're
That's the
crazy.
one to do. Yes,
I'm
we
gonna
got
wait
it.
for you in the line.
Yes, that's the one we're doing.